fine. Me too. Nice to meet you. Nice. Okay, today we have a test. Are you ready? Yeah. Look at the picture and answer me. What animal is it? It's a dog. What animal is it? Is it a cow? Yes. Is it a dog? No. What animal is it? It is a chicken. What animal is it? Cat. Is a cat happy or is a cat sad? Cat. Is a cat happy or is a cat sad? Happy?
No.
Is a cat happy? Yes. What animal is it? It's a duck. What color is the duck? The duck is yellow or red or blue? Orange? Oh, it's orange. It's yellow. What animal is it? It's a bird. What animal is it? Sheep. What animal is it? It's a rabbit. What animal is it? Is it a pig or goat or dog? Is it a pig or goat? No. Is it a pig? Yes. What animal is it? Is it a goat? Is it a duck? No, it's not a duck, it's a goat. Okay, thank you baby, high five.